standards-based grading is that bridge between a reader and a verifier. Essentially, it's a software feature, so we remove the light, but we're giving you all of the diagnostic tools to then, when you grade the code, you can dig into why is my code damaged, what part of the code is damaged, and we have all of those diagnostic tools. I'd say most companies are doing what we call kind of like a process control metric, or PCM, and we also have that solution too. It provides a grade, but it gives you no reasons behind that grade. So it says it's an F, and you might look at it and think the code looks great, and you're like, well, why is it an F? So with standards-based grading or with our verification options, you have that nice software user interface to tell you exactly what's going on with your code. So you can dig into different damages on the code, and you can see what might be causing the problem. So is your printer running out of ink and your contrast is very low? Most of our Cognex DataMan barcode readers can be upgraded in the field to include an SBG, a standards-based grading feature key on them. And so what that's gonna give you is the ability to grade the barcodes, and then it'll give you all of the diagnostic tools that come even with the verifiers. So our verifier software is amazing, and all of that is available to you with standards-based grading.